Do you know many people are having trouble with their Shark Rocket's brush roll not spinning? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Power off. First, turn off your vacuum and remove the battery to ensure safety. Step 2. Clear blockages. Next, carefully inspect the floor nozzle and remove any blockage or debris around the brush roll. Step 3. Check connections. Check all connections, ensuring that the handheld vacuum, wand, and nozzle are securely attached. Step 4. Cool down. Give your vacuum and battery at least 45 minutes to cool if they were recently used. Step 5. Reconnect and test. Finally, reconnect the battery and tilt the vacuum slightly to activate the brush roll. By following these steps, your brush roll should be spinning again smoothly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Shark users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.